cat. Come on, man. What is going on? For real? What's up, everybody? That's a cat butt. Get out of here. I'm laying on the lawn. Oh, this is ridiculous. Join me tonight, 6:50 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna go live for 10 minutes. I'm actually dropping a video that I shot yesterday because it was beautiful, it was sunny, and it was a lawn adventure. So as you can see, things are really kicking off right here. I'm pretty happy about it. It was super warm. Went down to where we're here, actually. Went to a different lawn, so you're gonna see something that you hadn't seen before. Did a whole bunch of stuff, and it was really fun to do. So, a couple things. Cat butt, that's cool. Let's just, come on, man. I'm trying to work. Back to this. Tiny Yeti does make an appearance. Watch for that. First one to comment when they see it. Bang, hat. We've gotten 2 winners so far in the last week or so that's been really fun. We're gonna keep that rolling. Again, live chat, 6:50 p.m. Eastern. Join me with your favorite adult beverage if you're into that kind of thing. We'll sit, we'll chat, I'll answer a few questions, then we'll jump over to the premiere. That'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern, and we'll just sort of cruise through that. In the meantime, I hope everybody is doing well, you're safe, you're healthy, and I'm hoping that you can get out and get on the lawn, and if you're like me right now, enjoy some sunshine. So that's it. I will see you guys tonight. Talk to you real soon. Bye.